Jnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Maharaj, for coming all the way from Mayapur here. Probably most of you don't know Maharaj. I also haven't seen you much for a long time now. We used to be together a lot of the time in Bombay in the BBT. That was early 1980s, I think it was. Was it? Was it?
Yeah, 1980s.
No, early 1990s must have been.
Between 85 and 90 in between, Teach Mena.
Something. No, it must have been early 1990s.
No, because in 94 I gave up and I went to Mayapur. I went to Vrindavan. So it was between, I was on the seat in production from 85 to 90. So it was between them.
Oh, was it? Okay, yeah. Maharaj was for many years he was overseeing the production of Srila Prabhupada's books as the BBT production manager in Bombay. So literally millions of books he produced for Srila Prabhupada. So see if you can do also. Millions of books. We should think millions. Distributing, that you all have to do. When we distribute, we don't usually think of millions. If we can think of hundreds, then thousands, gradually it all builds up. We have many devotees here whose service is distributing Srila Prabhupada's books. So we do that, and everyone's service, if you can read, is to read Srila Prabhupada's books. And everyone's service, even if you can't read, is to follow what's in Prabhupada's books. So BBT is the heart. Srila Prabhupada said, BBT is my heart, ISKCON is my body, and the Lakshmi is my blood. So Madhava Maharaj was for so many years serving the heart of Srila Prabhupada by producing books in English, Hindi, Marathi, mostly these three. Like Gujarati, that time there wasn't much distribution in Gujarati. Still it's less compared to others. Mostly these languages. You also got the Sindhi books printed for the first time, I think.
That was the first 6 chapters.
Yeah,
they did that.
That was a special project of yourself.
That was not easy.
Yeah, the first time you got Sindhi books printed. And since then you've been traveling mostly in Ukraine and Russia and America. Mostly Ukraine and Russia. So you just came from Lithuania?
Yeah, a little bit. A little bit there.
And every month, every Kartik, Maharaj spends in Vrindavan.
All of you should too. If you can't physically go to Vrindavan, at least you should mentally go.
You said that anything that's given to me, I'll pass on to someone else. So all that praise you gave of me, I'll pass it on to you. And money, yeah. I can't use so much, but I have plenty of disciples who can suck it all up. Turn it into stones. They'll take money and turn it into stone. How about that?
Stones?
Building temples. Stone temples. Stones and books and vehicles. All this. Do you know a lakh of shlokas? It's rumors are there. Definitely knows many shlokas. If the Gurukul boys can learn as many shlokas, they have good start now. They're young, they can learn, their brain is fresh. Maharaj is worshipping Krishna Balaram from Giri Govardhan. So you can also all go up and take darshan and bow down. You can all do Govardhan Parikrama, the easy way.
7 times around Govardhan Shailas is 1 Govardhan Parikrama without buying a plane ticket. Cheap and best.
Okay, let's all do it.
That's later on.
No, you're continuing now?
No. Whenever you desire.
Yeah, I'll do
they
it.
They can
right
do Parikrama now.
Yeah.
They can just we'll put the deities on some table like this table there, and they can do Parikrama.
Yeah, okay.
With kirtan. Yeah, whenever you desire.